Hadir ke jingïalang ke belalong ha ami gaung Kyrwoh Assam, ke jingïalang ke baar jong ke Regional Committee jong Assam at Meghalaya ke bayadai pat kijaka ha West Coast Hills District ke bakentop ya ke Langpih kan long ha ke arpu pratre unai lar arjar pulai hanong ba Shillong ha Pinewood Hotel ha ke Porsche bejinop hai sngi. Chairman ke Regional Committee ke West Coast Hills District bat Menteri Sarkar ba Paul Lingdo ula pentip bau Chairman jong ke Regional Committee ke Kyrwoh District bat Menteri Sarkar ke Assam bakmi ke Tanat Forest Chandra Mohan Patowari unwan senong ba Shillong. Nalor kata ula ong baling ba ke jingïalang ngin la ban ya cekmat ya ke jingïakran bat ban betin lynti ban penkot ya ke kam ke bakila ban lek jurep ya kita gijaka.
Ke jingïakenduk ke baar bring jong ki atli ki Sarkar ki Regional Committee Wedai bat kathan West Coast Hills bat Kyrwoh District kanlong hakasgi ningkong arku praterik hakaba who Minister in charge jong Forest and Environment Sarkar Assam Mr. Chandra Mohan Patowari unyalam ke team jong Sarkar Assam ringkat ki officials ki jongki bat mengihang ni Chairman jong Regional Committee unyalam ke team jong Sarkar Meghalaya. Dia kerja kami lynti jongi nagani meeting kalau nomor ba ngelapan kreat baki kot isla ki dulir bat ki borok ki bedai bat ke jengkap ke jongi ya ki snong ki tau ki bedai hapo kenika tain Langpih bat hakas ni mande ni dan ke jengkemen ba nginla ban ya chakmat ya kini ke jengkran bat bagani ke meeting kejing kedua belum hasil ke baar kan beten lynti yang ini bangin lah pada ban pengkut ya kam ada ke bagi lek ya ka site visit hadir jong kini meeting bat hadir kedua apa jong kebekut jong kini senem in lah ban ya ka final report syaki chief minister jong beratli ki state dia ni dan kajing kemen ba ngila ban wanra ya ka solution ya kene ka isu ke pula sateng aslam ba kene ka jeng kenduk ke bandong aksi kong. There are 54 villages where we have records and proper documentation to establish a claim over those villages. So, as I mentioned last time, we will be presenting a list of these villages and a status note on each of them in order to strengthen our claim over those villages. As you are aware, there are various parameters, including the, ethnicity is one, contiguity is 2, 3, willingness of the people, 4, history of the area, 5, which government has been implementing developmental activities in such villages, then electoral rolls, when have these people voted, where have they voted, all those issues. See, our approach would be to first resolve matters relating to big cluster of villages. Because what you mentioned, a few villages which are dominated by non-Khasis, non-Garos, these are small in number. So we will look at the bigger picture, confined to the problem-free areas first, and then these will go, on the basis of contiguity, for instance.
But and what about
total villages? Just wait. But total villages under Langpih sector, how many?
These areas which are, as far as I can recall, areas where you have largely non-tribal population would hardly be 3 or 4 such villages. No, in fact, in the last review meeting which we had at Nongstoin, all villages were represented, except 2 or 3 villages whose records could not be traced. They might have given the wrong name of the village. So in such instances, we have involved the local HIMA in order to ascertain the names of such villages. We will decide on Monday. Most probably it will be within October, because we wish to submit our final report in the month of November. Yeah.
Do you see that at least the solution to this problem will be out before the year end?
Yeah, I mean, we'll be submitting our report in November. Very likely, we will then communicate to the two chief ministers. So now our task will be over by November. Yeah, but the next step would be to take this to the CM's level, so that the phase 2 of our negotiations and discussions will come to a final close. See, given the nature of the last meeting, which was very cordial and saw a very free and frank exchange of opinions, we expect that that atmosphere will prevail, and it will be an atmosphere that will not promote any violence or discord.
Will you also ensure that the border outpost, which the government has recently sanctioned, is fully functional in pending the resolving the border dispute?
See, we wish to resolve the matter in the next few months. We are very sure of completing our task within November. Now, see, when that negotiation comes to a final close, even the maps of the two states will be redrawn. So the BOP is not relevant to the extent that, the BOP we have identified might be somewhere in the middle of, the areas that will then come to Meghalaya. So, we have agreed that we will also go to the site, meet the villagers, and instill that sense of fraternity and convey to them that we are in the process of resolving the matter amicably at the earliest.